Good day, sir.
So what is the law?
I'm Bobby from the National Motor Association.
Yes.
Streetwise Legal.
Yes.
Is that a court order? Have you got a warrant of arrest?
3 infringements.
Okay, what did they say to you what you must
Please
do?
come and pay your
Please come and pay, or did they ask you
no,
you must
said,
pay?
come with me, come and pay.
Okay, you're not forced to pay this on site. So who forced you to pay it? Which was the official?
He's got my license. I can't go anywhere.
You can't go anywhere. All right. So which was the officer that took your license? Was it this gentleman? All right. So no, I'm talking to him. No, I can. No, sir. No. Oh, no. Don't let. If you touch my phone, I'm gonna. If you, I'm by all means, I'm allowed to record you. All right. So you forcing this guy taking his driver's license, so you must pay. All right. So we'll. All right. So we'll take this further. And you withhold him and have his driver's license.
If you don't pay, you can go. Okay? If you don't pay. But remember, it's yours.
Yes, but look, I told you, these ones, I stopped myself. That's the good citizen I am. I told you that. So this is 3 little fines. I'm happy to pay them, but right now I'm late.
If you're late.
Thank you, officer.
All right.